Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to my channel, Learn Math with Priya. Did you all practice decimal multiplication and division by 10, 100,000? And I think the clue which I gave you, MRDL, has helped you to solve the sum, isn't it? Good. So, today, before we talk about the topic, I just want to insist a proverb: practice makes a man perfect. So, what is the importance of this proverb? What it tells you? When you do continuous and repeated practice of solving sums, it is definitely going to help you to solve the problem easily without any difficulties. So, remember, have a practice of solving sums every day, and it is going to help you to be excel in math. So, today's topic is decimal multiplication, and there are two subtopics. One, multiplication of a decimal number by a whole number. Two, multiplication of a decimal number by a decimal number. Let's get into the topic. In order to perform decimal multiplication, there are four steps to be followed. Step 1, whenever any multiplication of a decimal problem is given, rewrite the problem ignoring the decimal point. And step 2, just multiply as usual as you perform the multiplication of a whole number. Step 3, after you find the answer, you need to count the number of decimal places in both the numbers, that is, in the multiplicand and in the multiplier. Step 4, insert the decimal point finally in the product and you will get the answer. So the first problem is 23.5 into 7. 23.5 is a decimal number and 7 is a whole number. So what is my first step? I need to rewrite this problem ignoring the decimal point. So I'm just removing the decimal point and I am writing the problem as 235 into 7. The next step is to multiply. So I'm going to perform a normal multiplication. So 7 5s are is 35. 3 is a carryover. 7 3s are 21 plus 3 is 24. So 2 will be the carryover. 7 2s are 14 plus 2 will be 16. So 235 into 7 is 1645. But my question is 23.5 into 7, isn't it? So I need to place the decimal point in the product. So how to place it? So we need to go to step 3. Count the number of decimal places for both the number. So in 23.5, how many decimal numbers are there? 1, isn't it? So 1 decimal place. And in 7, how many decimal places are there? There is no decimal digit, isn't it? Because it is a whole number. So totally there is only one decimal place. So write the product and place the decimal point after one digit from right. That is, I need to place before 5. So it becomes 164.5. So the product of 23.5 into 7 is equal to 164.5. So how to do multiplication of a decimal number by decimal number? So recall the step. What is the first step? Rewrite the number without the decimal point, right? So I'm going to rewrite the problem without the decimal point. And my step 2 is to multiply. So I'm going to do the normal multiplication. So 5 5s are is 25, 2 is a carryover. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12. So I need to write the carryover 1 here. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. I'm going to write the carryover. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 is 6. Now I'm going to perform multiplication with tens digit, that is 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 is a carryover. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So the answer is 30,625, isn't it? So 1,225 into 25 is 30,625, but still I hadn't find the answer for 12.25 into 2.5. That is my question, isn't it? So now what am I supposed to do? Recall step 3. count the decimals in both the numbers. Okay, how many decimal places are there in both the numbers? So in 12.25 there are two decimal places, and in 2.5 there is one decimal place. So totally there are three decimal places, isn't it? So I'm going to place the decimal point after three places from the right. That is very important. So 12.25 into 2.5 is equal to, what is the product I got? 30,625. Now place the decimal point after three places from right. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to place the decimal point here. So 12.25 into 2.5 is 30.625. So students, hope you understood the concept. Practice solving few sums of multiplication of a decimal number by a whole number and the decimal number. And definitely it is going to help you to excel in this concept. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next topic. Bye.